What's up, YouTube? Want to show you my airsoft sniper that I made out of a Walmart shotgun. Okay, this is how it's supposed to look like. Looks a little like a 50 cal barrette, and I made a little camera attachment to the side of it, and it actually works. Hold on, let's see. All you gotta do is like turn it on. There you go. And it works perfectly. Standard magazine, about 19 bullets. I got the scope from my L96, the one that can zoom in. I can't see much, but as you can see, it zooms in and out. I attached a silencer at the end. That actually works. Very sturdy. I taped it on from the inside, and I added some glue, and yeah, it's holding up very good. From a distance, it does actually look like a 50 cal. I don't know. In your opinion, what do you think? But yeah, it's pretty much a shotgun that I modified and made it look like a barrette. So it's around 350 feet per second, maybe 400. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's a pretty good gun. I like everything about it. I'd rather use this than my sniper because if this falls, it's pretty sturdy and stuff. I gotta do a better paint job with the camera though. It's still with silver on it. I didn't have enough paint to cover it all. But yeah, I super glued it on, so there's no way of taking this off. And I just need to put my charger in it right here, and I'll be set. Cool thing though is that this camera has a night vision, so when I do my night wars with my friends, I can see them. Yeah, it's pretty neat. It's kind of a waste though, but I have like 3 of them, so I'm okay. So yeah, that's this sniper. Give me your opinion on it. Get a clear view of it. There we go. Yep, and that's the gun. On the silencer, it's not really a silencer, it's just an extender pretty much. But I think you figured that out. Yeah, that's pretty much the sniper for you. How do I stop this? Okay.